we just shot a basketball with a BB gun, and we're gonna cut it open and look at the pellets and like, see what's on the inside of a basketball and stuff. So yeah, let's get it.
So come over here. This is what it looks like. All black and stuff. And where the air thing goes in, it's like a little knob that when you do it, the knob comes out. I guess that's pretty cool. But there are many uses. Have a hat. You know, a football. Take some hot glue like this. Make it in the shape of a lemon. Hot glue it there, and play a cap.
Oh, we did it!
Okay. You can also use it as a nice chair, as so. It's too muddy on the ground and you don't feel like putting on and tying those very little shoes. Cool. Yeah, so it's a pretty cool basketball. It's pretty cool what's inside it. I would expect there's other things, but it seems like there are 3 layers. There's the outer layer with the dots and stuff. The dots are actually bumpy as well. Then there's a red layer. The red stuff, then there's a white layer of something like it seems like fur or like string, frayed
How
string.
fascinating!
Yeah, it's frayed string, and then there's this rubber layer. So that's pretty cool.
Now we're gonna have a little fun with the basketball by doing a fashion show!
Flashy, beautiful, outrageously gorgeous.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And maybe the first person to be whoever can be our 40th subscriber.
Ooh, that's the next one. We're at 39.
You have to put me. I'll get a notification that you subbed, and if you do, you will get a shout out. Your channel will get a shout out on the video.
Snazzy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget
Bye.
to like and subscribe.